Hey, physicist, I wanted to go through one part of the lab when you have to graph your own velocity, create your own velocity and time data. So that section that is I'm talking about is right here. It's in the extension, and so you can see it says copy your data from previous data table, determine the velocity at each time. So what it's asking you to do is for each 0.1 second interval as the puck falls down the ramp or slides down the ramp, for each 0.1 second interval, calculate the velocity at the end of that interval. And the way you're going to do it is you're going to take so for example, I'm going to start and find the velocity here in this 0.1 seconds, right? So from 0 seconds to 0.1 seconds, that's a difference of 0.1 seconds. So if I come down to my chart, 0.1 second. The distance traveled in that 0.1 second is 1 centimeter. How do I know that? Well, I have my data from my table, right? It was at 0 centimeters. It's now at 1 centimeter. So this is 1. So this is going to be 10 centimeters per second. Whoop. Oh, yeah, there's no variable. Right, it's going to be 1 divided by 0.1. My next time interval will still be 0.1 seconds. Right? Whoops. But the distance traveled now, if we go back up here, right? It's from this 0.1 to 0.2 seconds. The distance traveled is 4 centimeters, right? Because it's at 1 centimeter and it goes to 5. So that's 4 centimeters. So this is going to be 4 centimeters. And then our velocity here would be 40 centimeters per second. This is how you do it, right? The next time is going to be 0.1 seconds. We're going to go back up here. We're going to use from 0.2 to 0.3, which is 0.1. The distance traveled goes from 5 to 14. So subtract those, and that is a distance of 9, right? And now we get a speed of 90, right? 9 divided by 0.1 is 90. So that is how you do this.